Well, as COVID numbers threaten to spiral out of control, the Punjab government has clamped down in a major way and come out with stricter curbs to control the growing number of COVID cases in the state. A high-level meeting, which was a virtual meeting, which was chaired by the Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, just a while back, has announced various measures for tackling the growing number of cases. To begin with, cinema halls, bars, gymnasium, coaching centers, sports complexes will remain shut till April 30th, beginning tonight. In fact, the curfew period has also, in fact, the night curfew period has been extended. Now the curfew timings will be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the 5 a.m. Earlier, the curfew timings were from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Now that has been extended. Also, the ban on gatherings of over 20 people, including at wedding and funerals. Only 20, less than 20 will be allowed. And over 10 gatherings, the special permission will need to be sought. That's only for cremations. Also, importantly, restaurants to be closed on Sundays, and home delivery and takeaway for remaining of the week. That's from Monday to Saturday. It will only be home delivery and takeaways. Also, weekly markets to remain shut. Malls, shops, markets to be closed on Sundays. Now, these are important curbs which has been announced by the Amrinder Singh government as far as Punjab is concerned. Also, an important decision which the Punjab government has taken, the Tri-City will remain locked down on Wednesday on the Ram Navami. The Tri-City, which includes Mohali, Chandigarh and Panchkula, these three cities will witness a shutdown, a lockdown on Wednesday to curb assembly of large number of devotees on the occasion of Ram Navami. This has been done by the Punjab government in consultations with the administration of Chandigarh and also Haryana government. The decision has been taken that these three cities, the Tri-City as it's known, there will be a lockdown on Wednesday. And also RT-PCR tests reports are now mandatory for flyers who were flying into Punjab. They will have to carry RT-PCR certificates with them. And also antigen, the rapid antigen tests booth will be set up at bus stands and railway stations, and all the passengers will be checked. Now these decisions have been taken given the fact that the number of cases, the COVID cases, has been increasing in Punjab. In the last 24 hours, and yesterday, around 5,000 cases were reported. COVID cases were reported. Almost 70 deaths were reported yesterday. Now the government is worried that with the numbers increasing, they were hoping that the numbers will settle down. I mean, they had plateaued. The Chief Minister himself had expressed was hoping that about a week back that the number could have plateaued around 4,000, but that has not happened. And the government believes that much more stricter curbs need to be put into place to ensure that the numbers don't go beyond control. Remember, 5,000 daily caseload, that's what we've been reporting from Punjab. Even in a smaller city like Chandigarh, there have been over 680 cases yesterday. And also Chandigarh had witnessed a lockdown on the weekend. Now, even we've been told that the UT administration is also planning to have stricter curbs. But as far as Punjab government is concerned, they have already announced these curbs. And as I mentioned, the Tri-City going to witness lockdown on Wednesday when Ram Navami festival will be celebrated. There are fears that a large number of people could assemble at religious places, and hence the curbs have been announced. And also, as I mentioned, bars, restaurants, they all have been shut. So clearly Punjab, alarmed by the rising cases of COVID, coming down hard on these, coming out with stricter curbs, which it hopes that the numbers could now get under control. It's been, if you remember, the Delhi government earlier during the day had announced a 6-day lockdown, and other states also coming out with their own set of curbs to stem the number of COVID cases. But Punjab also witnessing some increase, and that's why these curbs have been announced. You can log on to our website tribuneindia.com to know which all sectors will be closed down, what are the latest on these curbs which have been announced by the Punjab government. You will find a detailed story on tribuneindia.com, and also follow us on our other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Meanwhile, thanks for joining in for this live update.